Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel, Cooking with me, Chef Quee. Today we're making some yummy garlic parmesan chicken wings. We're going to throw them in the air fryer so we get to relax for a little bit while they do their thing. Before we get into it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone you know, and let's whip it up. Alright, I have my chicken wings here already cleaned. I have my air fryer preheating to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to season our wings generously with your seasoning of choice. I'm using my baby, y'all, my Cooking with Quee all-purpose seasoning. Yes, dropping very, very soon, so be on the lookout for that so you guys can order you a bottle. You can literally put this seasoning on anything. Now that our wings are nice and seasoned, we're going to throw them right in the air fryer. We're going to let them cook for about 10 to 12 minutes on the first side. Here they are 10 minutes later. We're going to give them a nice good flip. Let them cook on the second side for 10 to 12 minutes as well. Here we are 11 minutes later. Our first batch of wings are done. We're going to remove them from the basket and place them in a 275 degree Fahrenheit oven to keep them warm while we cook the others. Now that our wings are done, we're ready to make our sauce. To my skillet over a medium-low heat, I'm going to add in 1 stick of unsalted butter. Then I'm going to throw in some minced garlic. Our butter is nice and melted and our garlic has been sauteing for about a minute or so. I'm going to throw in some shredded Parmesan cheese along with some fresh chopped parsley for color. Alright, this is optional, but I want to throw in some crushed red pepper flakes for a little kick. I'm going to give this a nice good stir. Let it continue to simmer for about 5 more minutes. I'm going to throw in a little more Parmesan cheese and then we'll be done. Guys, our sauce is complete, so we're going to remove it from the heat, add our wings to a large bowl. Then we're going to pour this delicious sauce all over these wings, and we're going to give them a nice good toss to evenly coat them. I'm going to add in a little more Parmesan cheese and parsley because most of that has settled to the bottom of the bowl, as you can see, and then we'll be ready to plate up. guys, we're going to finish up by giving our wings a good old hot bath with this delicious garlic parmesan butter here, and we are done. Serve these wings up with some ranch or blue cheese, or even by themselves. I promise you guys will not be disappointed. You'll be back for more, okay? Thank y'all so much for watching and coming to cook with me. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, comment down below what you think of this recipe, follow me on all my social medias, be on the lookout for my Cooking with Queen all-purpose seasoning dropping really soon, and I will see y'all in the next video.